Welcome. If you've ever been in a busy messenger group chat, you know how quickly important messages can get buried under a flood of new conversations. Maybe you shared an event detail, a poll, or just a really good meme, and now it's lost somewhere way up in the chat history. Don't worry, there's a simple way to bring that message back to everyone's attention. Today, I'll show you how to bump your messages in a messenger group using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and have the latest version installed, so you have access to all the newest features. Next, scroll through your chats and tap on the group where you want to bump a message. It could be your family group, a project team, or just your friends planning the next hangout. Now find the message you want to bump. This could be something you sent earlier, or even a message from someone else that you think deserves more attention. Once you've found it, press and hold on that message. After a second or two, a menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, tap on More. This will bring up a few additional actions you can take with that message. Look for the option labeled Bump and tap on it. That's it. The message will now reappear at the bottom of the chat, making it easy for everyone in the group to see. It's a quick and effective way to make sure important information doesn't get missed, especially in fast-moving group chats. So, the next time you need to highlight a message in Messenger, just remember these simple steps. Open the app, tap your group, long press the message, tap More, and then tap Bump. Give it a try and keep your group chats organized and on track. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips just like this. Thanks for watching.